Skid Steer Tires in Boston, Massachusetts. What you need to know before you buy. Skid steer loaders have become one of the hardest working pieces of equipment in the industry. With the tough environment and inclement weather conditions in Boston, demands on these machines to perform on all types of surfaces and conditions continues to increase. You need skid steer tires that can meet your expectations. Today's machine operators want skid steer tires that are built for their specific application or purpose. At Ken Jones Tires, we stock a huge selection of the best brands and tread designs to improve machine performance and reduce cost per hour. We offer a good, better, and best choices to meet your needs and your budget. Skid steer tires basically break down into a few categories: hard surface, severe service, heavy duty, and standard duty. Hard surface skid steer tires are designed for extended wear on surfaces such as concrete and pavement. Severe service skid steer tires are designed with super deep treads and perform well on extreme job sites such as rock, gravel, demolition, scrap yards, and glass plants. Heavy duty skid steer tires are premium tires that have a rim guard and extra thick sidewall to protect against rim damage and sidewall punctures. They are used for general construction, skid loader rentals, snow removal, landscaping, and farming. Standard duty skid steer tires are more economically priced and are used for light landscaping and other light use duties. Our skid steer tires are here to help. Ken Jones Tires makes buying skid steer tires online easy. Skid loader operators in Boston and across the state of Massachusetts can visit us at www.kenjones.com or give us a call at 1-877-844-2010, and we will help you find the right tire for your needs and your budget.